The animal with superhuman abilities. The mantis shrimp. The mantis shrimp's punch is so powerful, it's like being hit with the force of a car crash. But it also has the ability to see 12 times more color than humans, including ultraviolet and polarized light. The punch that breaks physics. Imagine a boxer's glove leaving the ring at the speed of a bullet. That's the mantis shrimp. Its spring-loaded hammer, called a dactyl club, accelerates from 0 to 50 miles an hour in less than 3 milliseconds. That's the same acceleration as a .22 caliber round. But here's where it gets wild. When that club slams forward, it creates a low-pressure void so intense that water flashes into tiny bubbles. These aren't bath bubbles, they're cavitation bubbles, and they collapse with an audible snap. That implosion generates a shockwave so powerful, it momentarily reaches temperatures comparable to the surface of the sun. So, its prey gets hit twice, first by the club, and then again by the violent implosion of those superheated bubbles. Talk about a 1-2 punch. How does it do it? The secret is a marvel of biomechanics, a latch-mediated spring inside its arm. Its muscles compress an elastic part of its exoskeleton, storing immense potential energy. When the mantis shrimp decides to strike, it releases a tiny biological latch, and the system unloads like a crossbow. And the club itself is a masterpiece of natural engineering. It's a 2-layer composite. The outer layer is made of a hard calcium phosphate similar to our bones, structured to spread impact. Beneath that, a helical chitin layer acts as a crack arrestor, stopping any fractures from propagating. Nature built a bulletproof, self-firing boxing glove that engineers are still trying to replicate. Eyes that perceive a different reality now, let's shift from its punch to its mind-boggling vision. We humans have 3 color receptors. The mantis shrimp has up to 16. Where we see a limited spectrum, this animal perceives a riot of colors and light properties totally invisible to us. Imagine seeing not just red, green, and blue, but also multiple channels of ultraviolet light. On top of that, it can see linear and circularly polarized light, light that twists as it moves. No other known animal has been confirmed to see the world this way. It's like upgrading from a black and white TV to an IMAX 3D experience with colors you can't even name. Each of its compound eyes sits on a stalk that swivels independently, like a periscope on overdrive. Each eye is split into 3 distinct regions, allowing it to achieve depth perception with a single eye, something we need 2 for. Researchers believe this allows the shrimp to recognize prey and predators in a single, instantaneous glance. The visual data isn't sent to a slow brain for processing. It's handled right in the retina, making decisions lightning fast. The hunt, picture this. A mantis shrimp peers out from its burrow on a coral reef. Its radar dish eyes scan the bustling world. A crab scuttles past. The shrimp's eyes lock on. In an explosion of motion, it launches. The punch fires. The water around its club flashes into those destructive cavitation bubbles. The crab's shell fractures on impact. The bubble's subsequent implosion finishes the job with a secondary shockwave. Dinner is served, swift and decisive. While smashers use their hammer-like clubs on hard-shelled prey, other species, known as spearers, have barbed claws to impale softer targets like fish. The principle is the same. Strike faster than the prey's nervous system can register the threat. Beyond hunting, their vision is crucial for communication. The reef is awash with polarized reflections, a secret language invisible to most other animals. The mantis shrimp, with its unique ability to see polarized light, can use these signals to communicate with mates or warn off rivals. It's like they're texting in a secret code written in light, hiding their messages from every hungry fish in the area. Why you can't keep one in your aquarium. So you've seen the colors, the eyes, the punch. Many people see a colorful 3-inch pet and think it's cute. Pet stores, however, might forget a few details. First, a mantis shrimp will absolutely rearrange your tank. We're talking full-scale demolition. Rocks get flipped, heaters get cracked, and any curious fish becomes protein. Even thick acrylic isn't guaranteed to hold up against some of the larger smashers. Public aquariums affectionately call them thumb splitters for a reason. Handling one is like shaking hands with a tiny, powerful jackhammer. They are not to be trifled with. In the wild, these creatures are master architects. Living in U-shaped burrows, they fortify with shell fragments. And where do those fragments come from? They're the remnants of former meals, meticulously repurposed. Their home is a trophy rack, a grim reminder to any passing creature of the mantis shrimp's formidable power, what we're still learning. The mantis shrimp is a profound source of inspiration for science. The potential for biomimicry is enormous. Engineers are studying its club to create better impact-resistant materials, like football helmets or aircraft panels. In optics labs, researchers are trying to mimic its visual system to build more efficient sensors for medical imaging and satellite technology. Imagine cameras that can detect cancer earlier because they see light the way a mantis shrimp does. Neuroscientists are studying how it stabilizes images so perfectly during a high-speed strike, which could lead to breakthroughs in robotics and AI. Every new discovery about the mantis shrimp seems to prove that nature often holds the most elegant and powerful solutions. Call to action. If you've been as blown away as we are by stories that make biology feel like the coolest sci-fi, then you absolutely need to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. That way, you won't miss the next deep dive into the incredible wonders of our world. Conclusion. The mantis shrimp isn't the biggest predator in the ocean, but it might just be the most awe-inspiring. It fires plasma-heated punches at bullet speeds, sees a world most of us can't imagine, and communicates in a secret language of light. Superhuman? Absolutely. It's a living testament to the extraordinary capabilities of evolution. And we should all be thankful it's only a few inches long. Because if it were the size of a human, we'd be the ones hiding in burrows. What an incredible creature.